afternoon, everybody. This is Karen March from Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. And I just want to let you guys know that Feather Friends Forever, they have a military deployment parrot housing program. Okay, I'm not moving the camera. Birds are going crazy. If a soldier has to leave home, either temporary or overseas assignment, and they need to find someone to take... Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. Well, this will make you think twice before you adopt a cockatoo. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not sure why this bird's pitching a fit. Hey birdie, hello, hello. Wow, look at this. I'll see if I can get the birds flying. This is an 80-foot flight for the birds. All right, everybody, we're going to sign off in a minute. Have a great day.